When your game demands precision and clarity under pressure, you need a tool that won't distract, just perform. This GPS golf watch delivers just that. Built into a new round watch profile, its high-resolution display remains clear even in harsh sunlight, providing essential data at a glance without breaking your rhythm. With over 42,000 courses preloaded from around the globe, it automatically knows where you are and what you need. Yardages to the front, back, and center of the green, plus distances to hazards and doglegs. Stay focused with Bluetooth connectivity that syncs seamlessly with the Garmin Golf app. Unleash control with a tool that transforms your creative workspace into an intuitive command center. The Tourbox Lite bridges the gap between efficiency and precision, giving digital artists, editors, and photographers a tactile edge that speeds up workflows without straining budgets. With 8 strategically placed buttons capable of executing over 100 customizable actions, this controller offers both simplicity for newcomers and deep functionality for experienced users. Turn every page into an immersive, eye-friendly experience with the 10.3-inch Big Me Ink Note color. This innovative e-ink tablet harnesses the latest Kaleido 3 display, providing a sharp black and white resolution of 2480 by 1860 at 300 pixels per inch and crisp color clarity at 1240 by 930 with 150 ppi. Take full command of your digital workspace with FlexBar, a precision tool engineered for creators, gamers, and streamers alike. Designed to adapt to your unique workflow, this touch bar solution brings next-level customization and efficiency to both Windows and Mac environments. Whether you're editing video, managing live streams, or gaming at full throttle, FlexBar keeps your most used commands within reach. Literally. With its compact footprint under 7 inches wide, FlexBar fits comfortably on any desk, while offering a highly responsive interface that reacts in milliseconds. The Roborock Q5 Pro Plus redefines home cleaning with its seamless blend of advanced features, offering a sophisticated solution for effortless floor maintenance. With a self-emptying station and a large 2.5-liter dust bag, this robot vacuum ensures up to 7 weeks of hands-free cleaning, allowing for a consistently pristine home with minimal intervention. Its 5,500 Pascal suction power, paired with dual rubber brushes, tackles stubborn dirt and pet hair with ease. A performance laptop that doesn't lock you into one future. This is the philosophy behind the Framework Laptop 16. Designed with a 16-inch high-resolution display and engineered for creators, gamers, and developers alike, this machine breaks the mold by giving users total control over its evolution. Built around a unique modular concept, every key component can be swapped, upgraded, or repaired using simple magnetic connections and standardized interfaces. Forged for environments too treacherous for traditional machines, the Lynx M20 fuses wheeled agility with legged precision to navigate where others fail. This next-generation mobile robot redefines terrestrial mobility, bridging the gap between speed and dexterity. On smooth surfaces, it glides on wheels at speeds up to 11.2 miles per hour. When terrain turns hostile, rubble, stairs, wetland, or steep slopes, the M20 locks its wheels and switches to a walking gait. Elevate your outdoor comfort with the Sitbacks bleacher seat, designed to make every event more enjoyable. Whether you're cheering from the bleachers or relaxing at a concert, this seat offers premium cushioning and back support to alleviate pressure during long periods of sitting. The high-density foam padding ensures lasting comfort, while the ergonomic design reduces fatigue, allowing you to stay focused on the action. Weighing only 12.5 pounds, the Sitbacks is incredibly lightweight and easy to transport. Out where city lights fade and the sky reveals its hidden canvas, the Vista Portable Smart Telescope transforms ordinary nights into clear sky adventures. Built for stargazing, birding, and wildlife observation, this compact powerhouse balances portability with performance. Whether you're scanning the night sky or tracking the wing beat of a hawk at dawn, Vista delivers with 240 times zoom power and ultra-sharp precision. Forget cramped screens and bulky setups, Screenio UL5 redefines home cinema in tight spaces. Just inches from the wall, this ultra-short throw projector casts a massive 120-inch image in stunning Full HD. The advanced triple laser light source ensures razor-sharp clarity with HDR10 and Rec 2020 color standards, delivering lifelike visuals right from your tabletop or shelf. Dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth make wireless setup a breeze, while its compact frame fits seamlessly into any room. Built for users who demand private control over their data without sacrificing speed or access, Pocket Cloud is more than just a portable NAS. It's a compact, high-efficiency gateway to your personal cloud wherever you are. At the core of Pocket Cloud is Station PC, a forward-thinking technology brand backed by Firefly Technology, a trusted name in board manufacturing and embedded computing. For over 5 years, Station PC has focused on delivering high-performance private cloud solutions that are streamlined for modern workloads. Bring the pulse of the financial world right to your desk with a dynamic display that echoes the charm of vintage trading floors. The ticker meter isn't just decor, it's a real-time window into your stock portfolio, cryptocurrencies, and forex pairs. Crafted for both home and office, this physical stock ticker leverages e-paper technology, providing a crisp, paper-like display that's visible under any lighting conditions while using minimal power. Customize each ticker to stream your favorite tickers with up-to-the-minute accuracy. When the dust settles and streaks blur your view, the HUT W8 stands ready to reset clarity with every pass. Whether tackling pollen buildup or city grime, the 3,800 Pascal suction power keeps it firmly anchored to glass, ensuring a streak-free finish on vertical surfaces. Its dual water spray system applies just the right amount of mist to soften debris before the microfiber pads do the rest. When conversations matter, precision tools make the difference. The Oliap Archer Meeting headset is designed for professionals who need reliable clarity, seamless transcription, and effortless summary, all in real time. Backed by a patented 50 decibel environmental noise cancellation system, it isolates your voice in noisy environments, ensuring your words come through crisp and clear. Comfort isn't an afterthought, it's engineered into the design. The LiveScribe Symphony is a cutting-edge smart pen that seamlessly merges traditional handwriting with modern technology. Designed to capture everything you write, draw, and hear, this pen connects effortlessly to your smartphone, tablet, or computer, offering the perfect blend of paper and digital convenience. The integration with the LiveScribe Plus app transforms your notes, making them interactive and easier to manage. As you write, the Symphony records audio in tandem, allowing you to revisit any part of your notes with precision. Built to meet the highest standards of everyday durability, this bottle isn't just a container. It's an engineered shield for your drinks. Crafted from 316 stainless steel, the S+ Pure Thermos keeps content secure, fresh, and at the ideal temperature for hours. Whether you're navigating daily commutes or tackling rugged trails, its rugged, corrosion-resistant body stands up to constant use in harsh conditions without leaching any flavor or harmful residue. The Reluma footrest is designed to provide a refreshing and supportive experience for your legs, whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go. With its lightweight, compact build, it is perfect for anyone who spends long hours sitting and needs an easy way to alleviate pressure on their legs and feet. The footrest features a durable, ergonomic design that ensures comfort and relaxation with just the right amount of support. Its portability makes it ideal for travelers, while the soft yet firm cushioning helps to improve circulation and reduce fatigue, providing instant relief. Life rarely slows down, and managing your health shouldn't fall behind. Skipped medication isn't just a small oversight. It leads to worsened conditions, reduced treatment success, higher medical bills, and added stress. DeFi transforms any standard pill bottle into a powerful AI-assisted system. With LED and sound reminders, smartphone alerts, and even in-app phone calls, you're covered whether you're at home or on the go. Open the bottle within a minute of the scheduled time, and DeFi logs your dose automatically. The Partner redefines your approach to fitness by providing an advanced solution for perfecting your form and optimizing your workout experience. With its custom distance and angle guidelines, it elevates exercises like deadlifts and push-ups, helping you isolate key muscles more effectively. By tracking your posture and alignment, the Partner ensures you maximize the benefits of every movement, reducing the risk of injury and enhancing your progress. Effortless plant care is now possible with the LetPot LPH Max, a groundbreaking indoor gardening system that combines advanced technology with simplicity. The LetPot app makes managing your plants even easier, allowing you to set a 0 to 24-hour LED lighting schedule, ensuring your plants get the right light at the right time. Designed to speed up plant growth, the LPH Max is equipped with a 36-watt full-spectrum LED light that mimics natural sunlight. With a blend of cutting-edge technology and user-friendly design, this drone offers a remarkable flight experience. Equipped with a wide-angle 4K HD Wi-Fi front lens and a high-definition optical flow lens at the bottom, users can easily switch camera angles for dynamic shots. Its 2.4 GHz anti-interference technology, coupled with a 6-axis gyroscope, ensures stable flight, making it easier to control. Imagine finishing a meeting, unzipping your lunch setup, and dining with ease. Anywhere. Fold Eat transforms instantly from a slim pack into a full eating mat, offering a clean table at the office, the park, or even an impromptu dinner date. No clumsy setups, just pull the zipper and you're ready. Fold Eat's compact design adapts to your day. 1 or 2 containers for light days, 3 for gym sessions, or 4 for a full day's worth of meals. Carry it or leave it packed. It's flexible by design. Forget the hunt for the perfect pair of trees. With the Animaka portable hammock stand, you bring comfort wherever you set foot, be it sun-baked shores, rugged trails, or your own backyard. Designed to be as adventurous as you are, this stand unfolds into instant relaxation with its intuitive snap-fold system. In just seconds, you're lounging without tools, knots, or frustration. Whether you're reading under the sun or stargazing at night, you control your position with precision. The Wonderblock's Smart Pollinator Observatory transforms any backyard into a vibrant hub for nature observation. This innovative device seamlessly combines cutting-edge technology with environmental awareness, offering users a unique way to attract and monitor local pollinators such as bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds. Designed to be simple yet highly effective, the observatory utilizes sensors to detect pollinator activity, providing real-time data about the species visiting your garden. Crafted from premium Italian leather, this smart wallet combines sleek design with cutting-edge technology. Its minimalist structure ensures it fits seamlessly into your lifestyle, offering both style and practicality. The wallet's standout feature is its RFID protection, which safeguards your sensitive information from electronic theft, providing peace of mind whether you're traveling or simply on the go. Equipped with AirTag tracking, you'll never worry about misplacing your wallet again. Sous vide cooking meets precision engineering in a compact tool built for flavor perfection. The Innova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker Nano 2.0 delivers consistent, restaurant-quality results by maintaining exact water temperature, locking in natural juices and nutrients for meat, fish, vegetables, and more. With a temperature range of 32 to 197 degrees Fahrenheit and pinpoint accuracy of plus or minus zero point 0.2 degrees Fahrenheit, it takes the guesswork out of doneness. The Palmer takes the classic utility knife to the next level with a sleek, modern design and unmatched practicality. Compact and stylish, this tool fits effortlessly into your pocket, making it perfect for everyday carry. Featuring a lanyard for easy deployment, its ergonomic handle ensures comfort in hand. The Palmer is available in two distinct versions, the sturdy aluminum model and the eco-friendly Palmer Clear, crafted from 100% post-consumer recycled PCTG. Feel the difference in oral care with advanced microcurrent technology. The Traumat's microcurrent toothbrush redefines how you clean your teeth, without vibration, without noise, and without damage. Instead of relying on bristles and sonic force, this sleek, lightweight device delivers silent, soothing microcurrents that deeply cleanse the gums and enamel. It's ideal for those with sensitive teeth or gum concerns, providing a calming yet thorough clean you can't get from standard brushes. In the ever-changing rhythm of urban streets, protection and intelligence must ride hand in hand. Enter Lumos Nixel, a revolutionary e-bike helmet engineered for riders who demand more than just safety. But Nixel isn't just bright, it's brilliantly aware. Integrated with Quinn-powered crash detection, this helmet becomes your silent guardian. It automatically senses impacts and can alert your emergency contacts instantly. The 10-4 Tech provides a versatile solution for those needing reliable, organized gear storage and easy accessibility. With its bucket-style access, you can reach into any section with ease, allowing for quick retrieval of equipment or supplies. Its 360-degree reach makes it incredibly efficient, ensuring that every part of the pack is within arm's length. This design also supports an ultra-organized setup, giving you dedicated compartments for different items. The grab-and-go handles allow for quick lifts. Built for those who venture off the grid and demand serious power, this 40,000 mAh portable power bank delivers a rugged, high-capacity solution for charging multiple devices. With a transparent LCD display offering real-time battery insight, this compact powerhouse stands ready for action. It supports blazing fast 100-watt power delivery charging and features dual USB-C and dual USB-A ports, perfect for laptops, tablets, phones, drones, or even gaming handhelds. The Granista Professional Grinder elevates your coffee experience with its innovative design, providing a superior grind every time. With a built-in scale, it ensures precise measurements, helping you achieve the perfect cup. The grinder features a 64mm flat burr system that consistently produces uniform grounds, crucial for maximizing flavor extraction. Offering 48 adjustable coarseness levels, it caters to all brewing methods, from espresso to French press. The Spire Studio's second generation offers impressive advancements for music creators seeking reliable and high-quality recording capabilities.